Okay, in order to remove the cartridge that's inside here, because you get leaks from it, you go ahead and you grab and you'll twist this here handle. If it is tight, use a microfiber to wrap around it and then a little pair of pliers to loosen it. You'll loosen that off of there. And you're going to go ahead and grab the thing and you'll pull it off like that. Then you'll use a microfiber cloth here and you're going to remove this ring on there. So you put this around it, you'll adjust the ring like so to get around it to get started. And just make sure you double up your microfiber because it will scratch it. And you'll finish by taking this off. Then there's another, more like a washer that's inside there, or a nut I should say. And you'll go ahead and just be very careful with that. You can put your microfiber back on there. Just make sure you notice where you're going to be grabbing and put the pliers on here. Or channel locks will work really good too. And then you'll just go ahead and you'll twist that off. You unscrew this out of there. And this is the cartridge, and you're going to pull it straight out like that. And then you get the new one, you're going to put it back in. Okay, we have the new cartridge now. And I want you to look inside here and make sure you note that there's the little plastic ring right there. And that's going to line up with the big hole with the screen you see in here. And these two little, more like pegs that are on there, that you have to always make sure that they're going to go into the two small holes right down here, because these two up there are for water to go through. They're not for that. So you kind of line up your two holes. You're going to go straight down into it, and you'll be able to wiggle left and right, and it actually will drop down inside there. And that, if you don't feel it drop down, then you got it on backwards or something. And you go ahead and you put this back on here. And then use your microfiber. Gonna snug it up. And you put this back on too. You can probably just snug that up with your hand. I don't know if you really have to, you know, get down there and really make it that tight. Then you're gonna go ahead and take the cap. You're gonna line it up. Make sure that your two colored dots are facing upward, like on the neck area, upward. And you're going to go ahead and you'll feel for that little square hole, push it back on and back in place like so, and you're done with that. And then just test it and make sure there's no leaks.